continued ratio, chapter number 6, 6.1, and question number 1 is, if A ratio B equals to 3 ratio 5 and B ratio C equals to 5 ratio D, then you need to find A, B, C. First of all, we need to understand the concept of ratio. We have to solve this question. First of all, we have to see our values AB and BC. What is common? B is common. What is common? B is common. So always write the common value in the center. First step is to solve the question is AB and BC. Always see which is common. Common is B. So always write the common value in the center, then A and C. In the first line we have 3 and 5. A value is 3 and B value is 5. Then first line completed. Come on the next line. B value is 5. So B value is 5. Then C value is 6. Then 3 will multiply with 5. This is the rule. 3 5 times 15 ratio. Then 5 multiply by 5, 25. Then upward value multiply with the downward value. First of all, upward to downward, then downward to upward, and upward to downward. Now answer will be 5 6 times 30. So we have values are 15 ratio 25 ratio 30. Can I cross with the same number? Put the equality sign. Can I cross with the same number? Yes. Which number? We have to divide with 5. So the answer will be 5 3 times 15, 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 6 times 30. Now we see what we need to find. We need to find A, B, C. They already are in arranged form. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Draw the ending line. So how to solve the ratio question? First step is to see the common value. Common is B. Write the common value in the center, then A and B. In first line 3 5, in second line 5 6, but always see the value. B value is 5 and C value is 6. Then multiply. How to multiply? Firstly, upward value to downward. 3 5 times 10 15, sorry. Then downward to upward. 5 times 5 is 25. Then upward to downward. 5 6 times 30. Then you need to check all the numbers. If it is possible, divide it with same number, so you can divide, and then you have to arrange with the alphabets. Now I am solving the next question. Let's see, the question is X and Z equals to 3 ratio 2 and Y ratio Z equals to 1 2, and we need to find X, Y and Z. We need to find X, Y and Z. First of all, see X, Z and Y, Z. Which is common? Z is common. Which is common? Z. So write Z in the center. Then X and then Y. In the first line, what we have? X is 3 and Z is 2. In the second, Y is 1. See, Y is 1. So in the second line, Y is 1 and Z is 2. Now multiply. 3 2 times 6. 2 times 2 4. And 2 1 times 2. Can I divide with the same number? Yes, I have to divide with 2 divided by 2, and the answer will be 2 3 times 6, 2 2 times 4, and 2 1 times 2. What is the answer? These are X, Z and Y and Y. But question is find X, Y and Z. Question is X, Y and Z. Find the X, Y and Z. So arrange X, Y and Z. What is the value of X? 3. What is the value of Y? 1. And what is the value of Z? 2. You have to arrange in the end. So these are the steps for solving the question. Now I am solving the word problems. Let's see, we have a question is according to survey the people. Let's see, we have a chicken and mutton. Chicken and mutton, let's see, we have 2 ratio 1. Then we have chicken and beef, and the ratio is 5 ratio 2. We need to find chicken, mutton and beef. So first of all, see which is the common one. Chicken C is the common one, chicken, mutton and beef. In the first line we have C, chicken is 2, so write it 2. Mutton is 1, write it 1. In the second line, chicken is 5 and beef is 2. Now multiply. 5 1 times 5, 5 2 times 10 and 2 times 2, 4. Can I cross with the same number? No. So it's mean answer is mutton, chicken and beef. 5, 10, 4. But question is arrange in chicken, mutton, beef. So arrange. In the end you have to arrange. If your answer is not arranged, you need to arrange chicken, mutton and beef. So what is the value of chicken? 10, mutton is 5, but and beef is 4. Draw the ending.